It is only in large cities that cervical cancer screening and cancer treatment expertise is available. This means that the rest of the country has to travel great distances even to just get their screening done. Also, the low ratio of pathologists to cervical cancer patients seriously hampers early diagnosis. And as a result, by the time women reach a good pathologist, it may already be too late. At IKP Eden in Bengaluru, Aindra Systems is attempting to automate a process which is currently manual in most parts of the world and which often leads to wrong diagnosis of cervical cancer. This portable automatic device being tested here will eliminate a common human error of keeping the biological samples in different chemicals for too long or for too short a period of time. This process of staining makes the cells clearly visible and helps pathologists by giving them a perfectly pre-processed slide that can then be interpreted easily and appropriately.
So a lady gives a sample, and in the next 2 hours she should know whether she is normal or she needs to have a follow-on treatment undertaken. That is our target.
After loading the glass slide on the stage, a go-ahead is given from the control box, which allows automatic acquisition of all the images that are there on the glass slide. Then the data is transferred to a computer and stitched there. The image data acquired in this manner finally culminate in the computing unit of Aindra, which has all the intelligence to deal with visual computing using deep neural networks.
The deep neural networks are built in such a way that they enable this parallel computing to happen, which enables it to understand and differentiate between, let's say, a normal cell versus a precancerous cell versus a cancerous cell. Now, we've also tied in a bit of what we call as reinforced learning, where the algorithms are getting more and more intelligent every day as more data comes by.
And as more feedback flows into the models, some part of screening is done by the system itself, thus saving the time of cervical oncologists. Experts estimate that this innovation would slash the price of automated whole slide scanners from upwards of $100,000 to a fraction of it when it hits the market.